Hey, hello, this is meteorologist Mark Torregrossa with MLive. Here's a projected radar over the next couple of days. Remember, Comerica Park right down in here. This is Friday, tonight, 5 o'clock. Let's step it along for you. What I want to show you, that's 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. There are some scattered thunderstorms that'll be around Detroit. I would wear a raincoat, a light raincoat, because it's going to be warm in the 70s, but I wouldn't fear it lasting a long time if it even hits Comerica Park. So I think you'll have some good weather for the game. And then Saturday, let's go through, that's Saturday morning, best chance of some rainfall around Comerica Park. But let's go into Saturday afternoon and evening. That's when some scattered thunderstorms develop again. Now, those do look big, but again, they're scattered and probably not lasting in any one spot for a very long time. So, rain gear, light rain gear for Friday and Saturday, but I think there's a good chance the games could stay dry.